Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE V40 Pro, and let me share with you how to change the 3 buttons navigation into the gestures and the other way around. So this video will be useful for people who want to switch from the 3-button navigation to gestures, and for those from the gestures to 3-button navigation. All you have to do is to open the settings, and here let's scroll all the way down to find the system. Then let's tap on gestures. And on the second position, we've got the navigation mode, so let's tap on it. And as you can see here, we've got 2 different options. Obviously, right now we've got 3-button navigation option applied. So if you've got gesture navigation, simply tap on this option to apply the buttons. Here we've got also the settings icon, so we can customize the home button, and we can hold home for assistant. So you can either turn it on or off. It's completely up to you whether you want to use it or not. If you wish to set the gesture navigation, simply tap on gesture, and instead of the 3 buttons, we've got this line which is responsible for some gestures. I will also show you in a second how to use the gestures. You can also customize them here just by tapping on this settings icon. We've got the option swipe to invoke assistant, from a bottom corner to invoke digital assistant. Again, up to you whether you want to use it or not. Just use this switcher. And back sensitivity, and to be honest, I highly recommend to get back to this option after a while of using the gestures, so you will be able to decide whether you need the sensitivity to be higher or lower. Alright, so now a quick tutorial of how to use the gestures. If you wish to come back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, you have to swipe your finger from the side to the center of your device, and if you can see this arrow, release the finger, and the same situation from the right side. If you wish to get back directly to the home page, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center, and make sure that this motion is quick and short, so something like that. If you wish to open the recent, repeat the gesture, so from the bottom to the center, but elongate it and hold your finger somewhere here, like that. And here we've got the recents. Moreover, if you've got a lot of apps opened, and if you'd like to quickly change between them without the need to go to the home page, opening it again by tapping on the icon or choosing it from recents, you can quickly swipe your finger from the left to the right or from the right to the left, depending on where you are now, on the very bottom of the screen. So something like that. And as you can see, we can quickly change the apps. And as I said, depending on where's your position, you can swipe to the left or to the right to change the apps. And I think it is really useful. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.